Welcome once again. Let's talk about Terra Classic LONC. Now today, Terra Classic, I have not seen this before. What is the first time I'm seeing Terra Classic daily volume hitting just below $15 million? Okay, remember this coin, even as of 2 days ago, was about $55 million trading volume and $53 million trading volume. Now today, Terra Classic trading volume is about $15,396,862, and LONC actually dropped that of a ranking all the way from 75 down to 80 crypto coins with the highest market cap, and they have about 172,176,316,930 Terra Classic LONC is being traded today. In the past 24 hours, they've really dropped, and I believe that before the end of the day, we might be seeing Terra Classic be ranked about 82 or 85 crypto coins with the highest market cap. So Terra Classic definitely this week might be dropping more if nothing is done about this. We might be seeing Terra Classic dropping more. I might be seeing the volume dropping below $10 million, which should definitely affect the bonding of Terra Classic. Now, the bonding of Terra Classic has already been affected because as of last week, we are burning high coins, and as of the past 3 days, this burning rate have really dropped, have really affected because the trading volume of Terra Classic have really dropped also almost ×3. As of yesterday, it was about $55 million trading volume, and today we are talking about 15 million. So you can see that even though if the Terra Classic is to burn, let's assume 200 million coins in a day, now they will definitely be burning between 60 or 70. That is why we keep on trying to see that Terra Classic will maintain high trading volume in order to also maintain high burning volume. But all the way, let's hope for the quick recovery. Let's hope that before this coming week, let's hope this new week, LONC volume will definitely hit over $15 million or towards 70 or $100 million trading volume. And of course, the trading coins should also hit between 700 billion to 1 trillion coins trading coin in just one day. With this record, with these statistics, with this number, we are definitely going to record high burning. And also Bitcoin have also dropped. Today you can see BTC have dropped at $26,000, and I was like, wow, this is a coin that actually hit $31,000 not quite long, and that means BTC have lost about $5,000 already within the past 2 months. Yes, Bitcoin have dropped about $5,000 in price within the past 2 months. $5,000 is a lot of money. Imagine someone that bought BTC at $30,000, you're already losing $4,000. So that is the truth. But I still believe that we might see BTC start hitting back at $27,000, $28,000 this month for the end of the month. And if they can hit back to $28,000 or $29,000 before the end of the month, I believe that by June, before the end of June, BTC might hit higher to $35,000. And I believe with this, let's hope for the best, and let's see if crypto industry this week will definitely be on the profit side. Please, thank you once again. Remember, this is not a financial advice. Before you buy any coin, buy what you can afford to lose.